Okay, the first thing you do is go to GameTimeEmbed.site and log in to your account, which you have been assigned. Sign in, and then you will go and click Events. Once you're in Events, you'll want to do two things. The first thing you do where it says Offline is click it Online. And also, if for whatever reason you don't see any events right away, then you can go up to this little funnel symbol, click on it, and make sure you are on the correct date. So once that is green and says live, you then click the area where it says stream key. When you see that little thing that says copied, you are done for now in the embed site, and you will open up OBS. This can take a minute or two. It's not necessarily the fastest opening program, but it is effective once it is running. Once you're in OBS, the first thing that you'll do is go to Camera Input. Double-click it and click Ultra Studio Recorder, even if it already says it's on it. Should be on HDMI. Sometimes you have to change it to 1 and then back, and then there is our camera feed. Click OK. The next thing you need to do is go to where it says Audio Input Capture, and you can go ahead and click Pro FX. Or if you're in Farmington or Shakopee basketball, it may say USB audio codec. Copy the stream key that you copied earlier in the plugin. Select the add package using browse, and then just click setup and refresh. First, you have to click start streaming. Then it will show you your ads. You have a 30-second option, 1 minute, 2, or 4. You can start it. If you need to end it, you just click cancel ad. And that is pretty simple. Just follow your rundown. The next piece of this is selecting your score bug, and that takes two very simple steps. So let's pretend we are doing a girls' soccer game for Lakeville North. You simply go down here to where it says sources. There should be a grayed out bug. You click that, it shows up. The other thing you have to do, see right now, this is on boys soccer, which looks very similar to girls soccer. You need to select girls soccer for your controls, and then you add goals that way or that way, and then change the period by going there and right back. Football bug, and then we pick the football control panel, and you can scroll down a little bit. You have Team 1 and Team 2. Team 1 is always going to be your home team, so if they score a touchdown, you put +6, and then you can click the alert to show the touchdown. Wait until about the extra point, turn that off, and then hit +1 if they make the extra point. Go down, similar concepts, and then to change the quarter, you go down to game status and just change that to 2. That is all you need to do right now on our score bug for football. And then just quickly, volleyball, you show that one. And again, we have Team 1 and Team 2. Team 1 is always the home team. You add points for that set, and then to change the set count, you do that. You would never actually see a fourth win on a set, but if we did it this way, that is how it works. These will all be set up for you before you arrive. You do not need to add logos or change the schools anymore at all. So that's nice for you. I always find it a good idea to go to the website and find your stream and go ahead and give it a test to make sure it is actually live. And there is our live test stream going on right there. Everything is working. It's also a good idea to mute your audio on your mixer and briefly make sure that it is coming from the right source. Once you're done, you'll click Stop Streaming, and you'll go back to your GameTimeInBed.site, click the green button, make sure it turns back to white. We have had a lot of people forgetting this step, so please do not. And once that is done, you are done. You can pack up and go home.